Oh shit. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, wasn't expecting that one.
Oh bro, you took that whole tree out.
Oh, that's how we do it. Oh shit. Yeah, no, the bar, I guess the bark buster.
Oh, you hit him.
Work, yeah. Okay.
Giving me a chance to rest.
Can rest at the bottom. Oh, alright. Oh, I took out one tree for you guys. It's not there anymore, don't worry. Yo, what's up everybody? This is John coming at you again from Co-Wheeler Motors, and we're riding with the Surron boys and girl today. I teamed up with the Chronic Surron couple. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check out some of their videos. They got some awesome flowy trail ride videos of the trails we have here in Oahu. And yeah, I mean, there's been a flock of these guys. I guess you could call them a swarm of light bees on the island of Oahu, and rightfully so. I mean, the bike is good. You get a lot for what you pay for. It's in a little bit different class, I would say, than what I'm riding, which is the Electric Motion E-Scape and stuff. But you know, the bike is pretty much made by the rider, and you know, the bike also being an electric bike, you know, which I know all too well, you know, makes it very easy to ride. So check out the video. We'll be flowing with these guys, showing me around. Thanks to those guys again for letting me ride with them, inviting me out, and it was a real good fun day. I mean, as you'll see in the video, so quiet. You know, that's one of the benefits of riding with electric, is you get to hear everything. You can hear your guys, you can talk, you can kind of yell out stuff to them. And when you stop, you know, you're just stopping to nature, and it's just the birds and the leaves and everything about being outdoors that we love, especially here in Hawaii. So I'm talking too much, and just check out the video. Oh.
That was a sick section.
Yeah, this is shit. I've never ridden. I only ridden Mililani a handful of times, but I've never ridden here. It's pretty nice.
The last 2 times we've been riding here, it's been super slippery. And
yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
it was nice, but this is the driest right now.
Today is nice and tacky looking,
Definitely by far.
Right on. Oh, I was on climb. All right. Oh, my legs. Fuck. Like a big root over there.
Yeah.
Ooh.
All good, go.
Oh, that was fun. Oh shit. Holy fuck, it's deep. Holy shit. Oh fuck. Oh, I got scared. Holy fucker. Mean. Oh, you bastard. Root. Oh, sorry, Jade. Holy fuck. Yeah. Sorry, Jade.
If you go back in the water and then try just get your back tire over that one.
Run 'em. Oh.
You're in a good spot for this.
Oh, shit. Sorry, Jade. Yeah, sorry. I don't know. Probably getting showered.
Don't come more forward. Stay back there.
Yeah, sorry. I get it. Oh. Oh. Ghost ride the whip. Oh. Push the bike, push the bike. Yeah, good. Yes! Ooh. Oh, I like that. Oh fuck, I don't know if I can make this in like this. Oh. 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 Whew. Let me put my glasses on. Oh god, this thing is all fucking loose, huh? In the queue. In the line. Yeah! Oh! Crawl 'em. Oh, it's soft. Oh, it's gonna be a tough one.
Almost can, yeah, just one shot.
Yeah, yo. Holy shit. Oh, no momentum. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh. Oops. There. Now we go switch. Oh, oh. You okay, bro? Oh.
Yeah, so we're gonna ride this guy's line right here. And by the time when that car comes here, we're gonna go way more left and try to tie up the hill. So you like the overshooting of the too far straight.
Gotta go this way. Go this way. Oh. Oh no no, come in. Get room. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh shit. Hey. We'll see if it stays up. We'll see if it stays up. Oh. I don't think I can stay up. Damn. Almost. Oh. Shit. Nah. I took a breather. Can you?
I'll take your side.
Oh, okay. Let me try then. Sorry. Let's try this one more time. Fuck. Hey Tony. I'm not too confident, bro. I just letting you know. I just letting you know. I'm sorry. Oh, you bitch. Come on. Oh, who ain't cut this trail?
That's what I just asked.
It's pretty
Cut these. They had fun, huh?
pretty gnarly. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Move a little bit more down. Take a break.
Whew. That was a tough one. Thanks again to the Chronic Surron couple for inviting me out to ride with you folks. Met some amazing people, and you know, everybody that's pretty much, you know, in love with electric motorcycles. And you know, although the Surron I feel is in a different class than say the electric motion, it is definitely something that is very capable, and you know, definitely something that can get you in the trails and up these crazy climbs, as you could see in the video. So yeah, man, it, you know, like I always said, you know, I don't care what brand you rep or what you like, you know. If you're down with the electric movement and you know, you're riding an electric bike, remember to hashtag no brap, all ZAPP on your electric riding adventures. And yeah, hit us up on the Instagram. Of course, if you guys like what you see on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and please don't be ashamed. Put some comments in the comment section if you want to know something, if you have a question, or if you just want to, you know, say what's up. Hit us up in the comment section. Yeah. Also, hit us up at kauilamotors@gmail.com for more info on how you can get yourself a electric motion E-Scape like I'm riding today. If you've seen some of our other videos, I am riding it in my Trail Beast mode with the IRC GEKOTTA front and rear tires, and with the larger sprocket in the back. So you know, these hill climbs are almost not a problem. Aside from picking the right line, torque wise, control wise, I mean, it was just pretty amazing. So hit us up at our Gmail if you have any questions about that and you want to get one for yourself. Other than that, guys, thanks again for watching the video. Like I said, please subscribe, and until next time, be safe out there and ride aloha.
Oh shit. That looks like the fun way. Holy shit.